At Eckington Dental Practice, our ethos is to provide you with expert advice and service in a comfortable and welcoming environment.
Hi Catherine, nice to meet you. Welcome to the practice. My name's Gemma, if you'd like to have a seat.
We're an award-winning modern dental practice. We pride ourselves on maintaining the dental health of our patients, young or old, and offer a range of flexible payment options to suit.
When a patient first contacts the practice, the first port of call is reception. They'll speak to one of our lovely receptionists, usually arrange to make an appointment for initial consultation. We then send out a practice welcome brochure which explains about the practice, explains our services, what patients can expect from us and what we expect from them. I say it's a two-way thing. If we're going to work together, they have to work with us if we're going to give the best results. The first meeting with our patient, it's usually quite a lengthy appointment. It's more getting them to know each other sort of appointment. I want to know what they expect, and I can also give them an idea of what we can provide. Once we've had that initial consultation, we'll come up with various treatment plans, give the people an idea of cost and time scale to provide those treatments. I think it's very important that we give the patient what they want. We offer pretty much most aspects of dentistry, whether it's routine dental care, whether it's people just wanting maintenance, whether it's children to adults. We offer virtually most aspects of dentistry. We can do cosmetic type treatments. If people want just simple tooth whitening, or whether they want a full smile makeover, we can do that. If people have got missing teeth or are struggling to eat, we can replace them with dental implants, which is the nearest thing that we can have to replacing a natural tooth. Most aspects of dentistry we can provide.
Stuart is he's a very open and a very demonstrative dentist. He's very technically competent. I have been astonished at his degree of competence, and that was endorsed by one of the leading dental assessors in the country, who did a report on some of his work and said he had never seen better. And I think that is a huge endorsement of Stuart's practice. I feel totally safe when I come here, and I know that I'm going to get good advice, and I know that it will be very open, everything will be put in front of me, and I have all the facts ready to make decisions. So I would commend Stuart on that, and the whole practice.
Now it's 30 years ago since I first started coming to Eckington practice, but the staff have been fairly constant during that time, and have always been very polite, friendly. They've always known my name when I've come into the practice, and made me feel welcome as I've walked through the door. I think that's quite important when you're coming to something that you're perhaps a little bit worried about, and lots of people don't like coming to the dentist, and they've always certainly made me feel very comfortable.
My treatment at Eckington Dental gave me more confidence after the treatment, because I felt able to smile without feeling self-conscious. I was able to eat properly again, which I hadn't been able to do for quite some time. I was finally free of pain.
Stuart's very friendly, warm, approachable. He explains everything, what he's going to do. Yeah, for me, he's a good dentist, yeah. I've had Procera crowns at the front, which I'm really pleased with, because I think he smiles everything.
I just love what I do. I love the interaction with patients. I love being able to start at the beginning with somebody where they really need a lot of help, or they might be a nervous patient who's nervous about having treatment done, and bring them through the process to where they're healthy, looking after their mouths well. It's not just about treating somebody's teeth, it's about treating the person. So it's getting to know that person, and to me that's what I get back. That's what I just love it. Yeah, I love it.
Everybody needs a dentist at some point in their life, whether it's from children to adults. There's always some point in their life that people will need a dentist, and the people that don't visit us are usually the ones that end up in some sort of emergency situation where they're going on holiday and they're in pain and they're trying to get something sorted out quickly, and it's very difficult to do that. It's a lovely practice. We have a great team. We always try to treat our patients, give that personalised service, get to know them, gradually build up the confidence, and with time they come to accept us and get growing confidence with us, and then we can go on and do more complex types of treatments if that's what they want. We're a private practice, so we can slow things down, take our time with patients, do everything we can to be gentle and as pain-free as possible. We have a relaxed attitude, we're very professional, but we're very relaxed, and we like to have a joke with our patients, and we like patients that have a joke with us. I like to think of my patients as my friends, particularly people who have been treating them for a long time with particularly complex type treatments. They do become your friend. I love my job, but have I got a rewarding job? Yeah, I love my job. Say dentistry, there's so many things happening in dentistry, so many new innovations. I love to keep up to date, to go on courses to learn new techniques and be able to pass that experience on to my patients basically. So the patients can be assured they're always getting modern, up-to-date dentistry.